Hi guys, welcome to another tutorials. First of all, like and subscribe my YouTube channels and watch full video. Share my video with your friends and press the bell icon for more updates. Then we're going to start the video. In this tutorials, we discuss that today's the new tutorial is paint with the white to levels and effect of sound filters in Adobe Photoshop. Press the letter D on your keyboard to make sure that foreground colors and your brush colors is set the white. The foreground color should be white. Right click on the images to open brush options. Set hardness to 0% for the soft edge and brush and adjust the brush size as needed in Adobe Photoshop. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching and subscribe my YouTube channel.